Hello everyone. We are here at Automation Expo that is happening in Goregaon, and we have with us Mr. Swapnil Kadam from ePlan. So sir, can you tell me something about the ePlan and the products that you offer?
This is ePlan is a eCAD software solution company. So we have different product for different verticals. So basically our focus will be the electrical CAD software. So where you can design your entire electrical design in one platform. And we have different products for different verticals. So we have electric P8, ePlan Electric Pro Panel, ePlan Pre-Planning, ePlan Harness Pro D, ePlan Cable Pro D. So this is all product. It is useful for the different industrial vertical to prepare their electrical design for different verticals in industrial automation.
Sir, can you tell me about the industries that you focus on and how do these industries benefit the most?
So this industry, we are majorly focusing on the machine builder and panel builder. Along with that, we have different verticals where we are focusing, that is in the automation, industrial automation, and energy sector also we are focusing, and even building and other industrial vertical also we are focusing. So in ePlan, so as I told, this is a global software leader, and this is majorly used in world. So we have different products available in our software. We have data portal. From that data portal, we can they can download the products whatever they are using, and readily they can use the same product in their design system. So we have different norm symbol library available with ePlan. So we have different product like ePlan Electric P8 Pro Panel, fluid. So in P8 they can prepare a schematic drawing. In Pro Panel they can prepare a 3D panel engineering. In fluid they can prepare the pneumatic diagram. In Harness Pro D they can prepare the machine routing. So basically we have whole focus for the electrical design and automation, and with this they can reduce their work, and they can efficiently work with the software phase, and it will be helpful for them to reduce the time from the design to production phase.
You also offer cloud solutions. So
Yeah.
can you tell us about that?
So for cloud solution, we have a different product like eView, eMANAGE, and eBUILD and eStocks. So in eView, so what happened basically in the production phase. So once we prepared the drawing, so that drawing we provide as the production team as a hard copy. But with eView, without an any ePlan license or any ePlan interface, they can view their drawing, and the data they will communicate with the production team bi-directional. If the production team is having any changes in this in their design, so they can directly tells the design team, okay, we need, they can add their comments in the eView. And eBuild, they can generate their schematic automatically. eStocks, they can prepare their part database, they can use their part database and they can save their part database in the cloud. And eManage, they can manage their data through the cloud solution with different departments. Yeah.
So you have an interesting theme for the Automation Expo. So can you tell us about that?
As we know, the industrial trend is going with this AI. So ePlan is also developing the same trend in our platform. So with this ePlan AI chatbot, we are under development. So with that chatbot, like usual our ChatGPT and other chatbots, so we are also developing our ePlan Copilot chatbot. So it is in under development phase. So whatever related to ePlan or any electrical design queries they have, so right now the chatbot, they are taking the data from the this publicly available data on the internet. So what we are doing, we are also doing the same thing in ePlan, but that will be in more efficient way they will use it. So in again we have the automatic 3D panel preparation through the ePlan AI, as well as they can reduce their errors, or they can, ePlan helps us to with this AI they can quality check will be done by AI. And again with in the same way, the voice to text command also we can use, means if they want to perform any command or anything, so they can directly use us as a voice command for this performing the task. So like that we are helping. So it is in under development phase, so we'll see what will be the more it will come.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.